Your neck is exposing you. You could have big arms, wide chest, perfect body, but one look at your neck and people instantly know you're not that strong. Crazy part? It takes less than 3 seconds to judge dominance, and your neck is one of the first things they see. But here's the twist. Most people train it completely wrong. You've been told deadlifts, shrugs, traps. Bro, neck automatically grow Hojaiga. No. Studies found people doing heavy lifts got almost zero neck growth. Zero. So your neck stays the same year after year, while everything else grows. That's why some guys look powerful and others look incomplete. But once you fix this, your entire physique changes. Think about it. A thick neck is like a frame of a building. Weak frame? Whole structure looks fragile. Strong frame? Everything looks solid. That's why fighters, wrestlers, boxers all have one thing in common: insane necks. Not for aesthetics, but for survival. And here's the crazy part. Your neck muscles grow faster than almost any muscle in your body, if you train them right. First move, neck flexion. This builds the front, the most visible part. Lie down, weight on forehead, and curl your neck forward. Simple, but here's the secret. Don't go heavy, go high reps, 20 to 30 reps. Why? Because your neck is built for endurance, not ego lifting. And one small tweak, keep your chin slightly tucked. This puts the muscle under stretch, and stretched muscles grow 2 to 3 times faster. Yeah, triple growth from one small adjustment. Now here's where most people fail. They train front and back, but ignore the sides. Result? Flat neck, no width, no presence. Second move, lateral neck flexion. Side bends for your neck. Slow, controlled, equal reps both sides. Because imbalance here will literally make your face look tilted. Yeah, people notice that. Now the final exercise. This one is insane. Scientists recorded 95% muscle activation, highest ever. Not just neck, any muscle. This is neck extension. Face down, weight on the back of your head, lift and control. Slow reps, 2 seconds up, 3 seconds down. And here's the crazy part. People saw up to 24% growth in just 12 weeks. That's not normal. That's elite level response. Your neck is literally waiting to grow, but nobody trains it properly. But listen carefully. This is not your biceps. You can't ego lift here. Your neck protects your spinal cord. Mess this up, and it's serious. Start light, 5 to 10 kilograms max. Control every rep. If it feels weird or sore in week 1, that's normal. But never rush it, because a strong neck looks powerful. But a damaged one? It shows instantly. So here's the truth. Most people will keep ignoring their neck and wonder why they don't look strong. But the ones who train it, they don't just look different, they feel different. More stable, more confident, more dominant. So next time you train, ask yourself, are you building a body or a presence people can't ignore?